questions about how do I really get fit? What about should I eat after 6 p.m. or before? And this is my favorite one. If it's plant-based, it has to be healthy, right? Yeah, that's what you're told. But guys, hey, I've got news for you. Everything that you think is healthy is not healthy for you. My name is Letitia Action Jackson. I am a 13-time wellness author, globally recognized health and fitness expert, United States Air Force veteran, and the CEO of Well Content for You health and wellness company. Today, I wanted to invite you on over to our new newsletter called The Well. At The Well, we promise to quench your thirst for wellness content that is science and evidence-based to help keep you well. No more get fit quick schemes, no more diet schemes, strictly content that's designed through science and evidence to keep you well. So if you are tired of the get fit schemes and you really want to understand how do you stay well and you have a genuine thirst, let us quench it. Click the link below and hey, head on over to The Well. We can't wait to see you there.